Namaskar. Today we are going to practice yoga for back pain. Inhale, eyes closed, spine straight. Om. 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 Shanti. Shanti. First, we're doing Kati Chakra. Exhale, look back, twist your spine. Exhale, feel the stretch. Exhale back. Inhale, center. Exhale back. Inhale, center. Place your one hand behind you and feel the stretch. Very good for your spine. You can do it after wake up from bed also to release the stiffness. Now we are going to practice cat and cow pose. Place your hand under your shoulder. Inhale, look up. Stretch your neck and arch back your spine and exhale, chest to chin. Inhale, look up, bend your spine. Feel the stretch in your spine and stay. Exhale, slowly, chest to chin. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, feel the stretch. It's very good for your spine, lower back pain, upper back pain. Now, sit in Vajrasana, then go to Balasana. Rest in Balasana. Rest your spine, rest your head. Now slowly lie down. And up. This is called Phoenix pose. Just feel the stretch. If you have more back pain, feel the stretch. Then this is more advanced. Do it slowly. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. If you feel comfortable, do Bhujangasana. Place your hand beside your chest. Press and inhale up to navel. Slowly down. Inhale up. Slowly down. Do it in your own speed. Feel the stretch. Now we are doing Halasana. Ardha Halasana. Place your hand under your thigh. Lift one by one leg. This is the reverse pose of Bhujangasana. Slowly up. Place your forehead on the floor. Now try to lift your both the leg as much as possible. Don't strain yourself. Slowly you will get the benefit. Do it regularly. Now lie down and pull one leg and press down. If you have a knee pain, then hold under your knee like this. Don't pressure on your knee. If you have no problem, then press it. Pavana Muktasana. You have knee pain, do it like this. Pavana Muktasana. Breathe normal. Now both the leg. Yes, press down. Now roll side by side, baby roll. Side by side. Feel the comfort in lower back. It's very good massage. Baby roll. Small baby roll. This is very good massage in your spine. Now lie down and hip up, chest to chin, down. Hip up, exhale, down, inhale. Exhale up, inhale down. Up and slowly down. Up and slowly down. Now twist. Hold your right knee with your left hand and look at your right side. Feel the twist. Another leg. Do it 3-4 times per day. You can do this exercise on your bed or do it on yoga mat. Now do this twist, spinal twist. Touch your knee and the other toe, other leg toe, and twist the neck. Other side. Exhale, inhale center, exhale twist, inhale center. Now lie down in Savasana. This is very effective. Inhale and exhale. Lie down on your mat. One more important thing, never wake up like this. It may hurt your back. Do it like this. Lie down and bend right side or left side with the help of hand. Sit down. Okay. 4 important thing. Don't bend forward. Don't lift heavy thing from floor. And next, first sit down, then take the thing from the floor. And last not but least, don't lie down on the too much soft bed. So do it regularly and get rid of it and comment me.